Hello everyone, my name is Shelja. I am from Kurukshetra, Haryana. I have completed my bachelor's from Kurukshetra University, Kurukshetra, and master's from Deenbandhu Choturam University, Moothal. Today I am here to share few tips regarding TOEFL with you all. So TOEFL is basically an English proficiency test. It consists of 4 sections. The first one is reading, the second one is writing, the second one is listening, the third one is speaking, and the fourth one is writing. This is the sequence which you are going to face on your exam day. So my first tip is reading section is very time consuming. It takes a lot of time as well as energy. So to be fast in reading section, you need to practice a lot. Reading section could only be improved through practice, and practice. My second tip is that don't underestimate listening section. Although it looks very easy, you don't have to do anything, just listen and answer the questions, but the level which you practice through YouTube videos or mock test is much more easier with compared to the level which you are going to face on your exam day. So don't underestimate listening section, practice well for that also. The third one is speaking, and fourth is writing. So for speaking and writing sections, you can use templates are very helpful. You can get templates on YouTube channel TST Prep. You can follow YouTube channels like Noteful and TST Prep. These two are very helpful channels. Noteful will help you with the intricacies of all the questions. It has explained all the questions in detail with little and minute details, and TST Prep will provide you with all the questions, sample questions, so you can practice through both of them. And the third one is you can practice with your friends and family. Practicing with them will give you confidence, and you can also watch more and more English news channels, English TV shows and movies. This will help you with the accent and the flow with which you have to speak. These are really helpful. So watch more and more English content as much as you can. And moreover, you can practice on your own by standing in front of the mirror and choosing any random topic, like what is your favorite sport, football or cricket, any kind of topic which you are comfortable with, and speak on that topic for about 1 minute. This will also give you confidence, and this will make you more creative, and you will get ideas very easily on the test day. So practice on your own. And last but not the least, I would like to thank Dr. Narendra Parmar sir for always guiding and motivating me whenever I felt low. So thank you so much, sir, for being with me. Thank you.